Now I'm flexing like the jack of all trades. Yeah. And shout out my dog Andre. He a jack of all trades.
Alright guys, so we are in a 2006 Honda Accord and we just installed a Android head unit. We were having an issue where the controls on the actual steering wheel, you know, to turn it up, turn it down, change through the songs, things like that, they weren't working. And I found out the reason why they weren't working. Alright, so this right here, the unit is on. You're gonna go to your apps, swipe over. You're gonna go to car settings, SWC type. Click that. Now you got special type and then you got learning. I got it on learning so that you can teach it. All right, at the bottom it says enter SWC settings. We're gonna click that right here. Just hit OK. Now all of this stuff right here is what you can teach your controls to do on the actual steering wheel. As you can see, everything's black and white except for volume up, volume down, next, previous. That's because I already set it up. Now I'm gonna show you what you do. All you do, let's say you want the volume to be turned up, you hit volume, and on this part right here, now hold on, let me go back. You hit volume up, that's volume plus, right? You're gonna hit that. Then you're gonna go over here and you're just gonna press up because that's volume up. So you're gonna press it one time. All right, now that one's set. You want volume down or negative, and go over here and you're gonna press it one time. Now that's set. You want, you know, like skip next or previous, you hit next. And right here where it says channel, I used positive up. All right, so you're just gonna press it one time and it learned it. You want previous, so if you want to go back to the previous song, channel, hit the minus sign, you're gonna press it one time, just like that. Okay. Up here it says mode. Let's see. Okay, hold up. Before I do that, let's say you are on a song and you want to fast forward the song. You're gonna press the button, right? You're gonna hit channel up, but you're gonna hold it. Just press it and hold it. All right, because you have two different settings for these buttons. You have press the button, and then you have press the button and hold it down. All right, so now we're gonna do rewind. Hit rewind. You're gonna press channel down, hold it, see, and then it goes back. Okay, so now it learned fast forward and rewind. Now I have a mode button. I don't remember what the mode button did for the old head unit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set it for band right here, which is the radio, right? So I'm gonna press it and then I'm gonna hit menu right here one time, and now band is set for the menu button. And let's see, that's it. I mean, you can technically, you can do call, like let's say you wanted to call somebody. Let's say you wanted to play and pause. Well, if you want to pause a song, right? Let's see. If you want to play it first, we're gonna use volume up for play, right? But we're gonna long press it, right? So look, right here, we're gonna press up and long press it. Now if you press up and long press it, that's gonna play or pause it. So you'll press up, hold it, and then it's gonna pause it. Press up, hold it, it's gonna play it. So that's a long press. You can do hang up, answer the phone. So if you're in your Bluetooth and you're using the phone and stuff, you can set any of this stuff in here. You can, if you want the apps to come up when you press that, you can do that too. Everything works. But that's how you set it. And then if you set it and it's not right for some reason, down here you have SWC1. If you press that, you can change this stuff to 10K, to, you know what I mean? Like, It just depends on the frequency that you're using. Now it's on SWC2, SWC3, and then it's back to 1. Mine was on 1 and it worked. So if you put yours on 1 and it doesn't work, try 2 and then set something and see if it works. So basically, that's it. Well, it erased everything, so we have to do it all over again. So I'm going to show you real quick. So we got volume up, volume up, volume down, volume down. Next song, channel up. Previous song, channel down. All right. And we're gonna go to fast forward. Let's see, channel up, hold the button, and then rewind. Channel down, hold the button. All right, and then let's see, band. Well, this is my son's car. What do you want your menu button to do? You can make it go in your apps. Like if you hit that button, it'll go directly to your apps instead of you having to swipe it.
EQ.
EQ?
Yeah.
Okay, so he wants it to be EQ, so we're gonna hit EQ, and then we're gonna hit mode, hold it, and there you go. Actually, instead of holding it, we're gonna do it again. We're just gonna press it, and there you go. All right, so now actually it's showing it coming up both. So what you would have to do is, if you press it once, it'll go to EQ, but if you long press it, what do you want it to go to?
Pause the song.
Okay, so pause the song and then long press. There you go. So short press menu goes to EQ, long press menu pauses the song. All right, it should probably be the opposite way though, because if you press that, it'll just pause the song instead of you have to press it and hold it.
Oh yeah, you're right.
So let's reverse it. EQ, long press on mode, and pause, short press. All right, there you go. So all of this stuff is set up now. All you gotta do is go back to the home, and then if you, let's say you play a song, I'm gonna turn it down because I don't want it to play out loud. But watch this. You press it, see it's turning it up. See? And then we can turn it back down. If you up press, it changes the song. Up press changes the song, but if you press back, it goes back to the song. And if you want to fast forward it, you press up on channel. See, it skipped. It's skipping. See? And then if you hit back, it reverses. All right, let's see if the mode works. You press mode once. Okay, so that doesn't work. Let's see if you long press. Okay, so if you long press, it goes to EQ. Oh, you know what? It probably did work. Let's go back to home. Go back to here. And let's press it. Yeah, it's working. So it's pausing it. Because I forgot exactly what we set it for. So it's actually pausing it. So if you press it again, it's playing. Press it again, it's pausing it. Hold it down, it goes to the EQ. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you guys that just in case you were having that problem where your controls for your steering wheel was not controlling the actual radio. Alright guys, I got a video that shows you how to install this. It'll show up in the top right hand corner right now.